Hey, it's Alex, the CEO of Motoroso.com, your dedicated auto parts marketplace, and we're at SEMA 2019 in the Bilstein booth. Now, walking around SEMA, it's become very, very clear that overlanding has doubled in popularity again, and there are no shortage of Jeeps, 4Runners, and crazy overlanding builds. But on the lower end of the market, people are taking their crossovers out and trying to do overlanding as well, but there's not a lot of suspension products out there for it. Luckily, Bilstein has answered the call. One of the challenges with putting a strut on a car is because they often have these welded spring buckets. So Bilstein is building in welded spring bucket solutions, and it's called the B6. And this is going to be a tough off-road capable shock that can go on all the Subarus like the Crosstreks and the Foresters. It can go on the Jeep Renegade, the Ford Explorer and Escape as well. And so really excited to see all these new products coming out from Bilstein so that anybody out there with their crossover can start getting more serious about overlanding. So make sure you check out this and over 1 million top name brand products sold by trusted vendors at great prices, and the shipping is always free at Motoroso.com. Thanks for watching.